Welcome YouTube to our weekly Forex breakdown. I'm just checking out everything is okay. Sorry if the audio is really bad. I just need to check to make sure that the music isn't super loud. Give me a second. Yes, it is live. Let me listen to it. Okay, there might be loads of echo. One sec. Okay, no, I think it's good. Okay. If anyone, wait, actually, can one of you guys hop into YouTube real quick? Absolute diamond. Can one of you hop into YouTube and let me know if the little lo-fi music is okay or if it's way too loud? Because I can't listen at the same time. It's a bit difficult. And if it is all good, then we'll get cracking. Sounds okay to me. Thank you, monkey. Let me just post it to the other Discord, and then we're good to roll. Ping. I should post a little thumbnail as well. Yeah, I'll post a little thumbnail. I'm pretty proud of that thumbnail. Also, actually, let me post this first. YouTube video is, well, this week's YouTube video that was meant to be this week is coming tomorrow. Last time I tried recording it, full YouTube video, I recorded about 40 minutes of content, and I then went to click stop recording, and I found out that I wasn't even recording, and I wanted to die. So I was like, yeah, sack that, I'll come back tomorrow and record it. And guess what? The exact same thing happened today. It was a video on how to draw fibs and use fibs. Did the well, not the entire thing, did about 20 minutes, and then went to click stop recording. Wasn't even recording. I wanted to die. And I was like, you know what? No, Leon, I'm gonna crush this. I'm gonna go through with it, and I'm gonna do it again. Took a 5-minute break, went back at it, recorded for about 15 minutes. I wasn't recording. Twice in a row, and I was like, yeah, no, I'm not doing it. I'll just wait until next time. I can't be bothered. So I will do it tomorrow. Yeah, and it'll be uploaded tomorrow, don't worry. Right, that is posted and we're good to go. Yeah, what did we do last week? 2 minutes. He doesn't know how to press a button to record, or the guy is trying to mentor us on pressing buttons. Right, okay. Right. I love my mods. Monkey Rhythms, thank you for being the only nice, decent mod in here. All the others are a bit, I don't know, temperamental, I'll say that. Right, so last week we had, let's go on the spreadsheet actually, because I don't really use it. I know you guys use it, the Confluence file that I update every single week. I sit there for about half an hour, and it's not even appreciated. How many got hit? We got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quite a few levels got hit. Obviously it doesn't tell which ones worked. I have to manually do that, which is a little bit annoying. But yeah, we'll quickly go through what happened last week and if there was any levels tapped. But I didn't take any trades. I have, what broker do you use? I use IC Markets, and it's good. Thank you. What was I going to say? Yeah, I didn't take any trades. I did have, what did we have last week? I saw it was like CAD-J. No. USD. Oh, it was Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss was the trade. So we had USD Swiss, which was the 61 fib ATR. We also had Euro Swiss, which was the 50 fib, the level ATR. I think a few people took CAD Swiss, which was nice, to be fair. It wasn't the greatest level, but it was valid. And if you did catch entries, probably haven't hit take profit yet. It looks like it is going to hit. For take profits, I probably would have went with balls. Yeah, it would have been a bit awkward for take profits. It's probably just a 1-to-1, to be honest. Am I the only person not seeing anything? Oh, don't say that. 1 second. Okay, no, I'm definitely streaming the right thing. 1 second. Here. If you just click my little hover over the thing and click that, and then you'll see, whoa, me. Yeah, or you just click that thing. You should be able to see it. Don't delay. You should be all good, don't worry. So yeah, Swiss had a lot of taps. We'll quickly run through and see what taps apart from that. Pound Aussie does nothing really. Pound CAD nothing. Pound Swiss had a tap into the level as well. It sort of had a bit of a miss. Well, it tapped into it and did like 30 and then had a secondary tap on Friday. GJ tapped into the highs, which worked nicely. I wasn't really keen. It didn't really line up for me. GN broke through this level. I wasn't obviously keen on that break and retest. Right, Josh, you're timed out for a day. Yeah, I wasn't keen on this break and retest purely because we had that miss there and a secondary miss, and now we've had the break. So to be fair, this could be a really nice break and retest because that has done like 210, and then we had a secondary level here that's done 100. So as long as we don't instantly come up for this retest on Monday, I probably would go for this. If we see one more nice candle to the downside like that and it comes up to retest like the 38 fib level, I'm going to go for that. So I'm going to start taking break and retests. Well, I was taking them last week, but I sort of missed one. As long as he line up with a fib or ATR, I'll take them with 1% risk rather than 2, so I'm going half risk. YouTube live stream content analysis. Am I recording? Analysis. Oh look, here's my journal. Analysis. Josh and JJ, your band. Analysis. Can everyone see me? Right. JJ, your band. We all know this is just our 1 of 4 of the intro. Real analysis begins in 4. Right. You know what? Where's JJ and Josh? Where are they? Josh, you can go sit in Bloomberg. And JJ can go sit in the stage. There we go. They're both gone. The fair value gap is a good indicator. Yeah, so that's like one way I sort of identify like clean breaks compared to messy breaks. When you have a nice break of a level and it also forms a fair value gap, that is when, well, it's a really nice retest. Sort of like this one here. You got the level. It's hopefully created a decent fair value gap as long as it doesn't come up immediately. If it creates a nice gap, you know, it comes up, does something like this, then we see a tap into the level. I'll obviously take the very high of that gap. Whereas compared to like a messy break, like this one, here's a level. See how that was a messy break? We broke through it, like instantly came for the retest, then pushed back through. But look at that. It was still tapped beautifully. So that for me would still be a valid break and retest, but I don't know. I'm still recording the stats. Obviously that, I mean, it was a pretty wide one, 61 fib and the retest. I don't know if ATR was there, but I'm still recording to see whether the messy breaks without the gap and the ones with the gap are like equal in win rate and pullback size and all that stuff. I've been a bit sloppy with the back testing because I've been so on and off with my freaking journal, doing bits for it and then stopping and then doing more and then starting on a website and then stopping the website and then doing the journal and blah, blah, blah. So I'm just gonna, right, Josh. Serious note, guessing you are still determining the best kind of break and retest parameters. Not really the parameters. I'm pretty solid with like just the fib and the ATR. I'm not even going to go on about my journal and my back testing because you guys will start crying. But yes, with just a fib and a break and retest, they are still going. It is working like, I think, what, 80% win rate. I was on 82% win rate, and then I backtested CAD JPY, and let's just say I took like 5 trades, 5 losses. 30 pip stop loss is not good enough for CAD JPY, I'll say that. So it took, just from those three losses with break and retest on CAD JPY, it took it down from like a 82% win rate to like a 73. So yeah. But with ATR and a break and retest, I don't have enough data there yet because it's pretty rare to see a break and retest on ATR. What else did we have last week? We had a few breaks. Again, this is nice. Euro entered D. It's got the exact same price action as pound entered D. So we could see this one line up, which is nice. Had a nice reaction on Euro USD. Oh, this is the one that we freaking missed, man. So Euro USD, I think this was Monday. Yeah, Monday we saw the tap. This was the trade I was meant to get into, but I didn't have signal because I was away on Monday. So I couldn't get into Euro USD. And by the time I checked, it was already in. So instead I looked at pound dollar, and this was this zone, the 38 fib and this little level here. And as you can see, it worked beautifully, but I missed my entry by like 10 pips because it was a pretty damn wide level. It was like 33 wide. So I got a pretty safe entry. And yeah, sort of messed me up. But to be fair, on Euro USD, I would have got tapped out of break even anyway. Entry would have been, I don't know, I think it would have been fairly low anyway, like down here. And take profit would have been the break and retest of that. So after 30 pips, which would have been there, I would have put stop loss to break even. It would have tapped me out of break even, and then it would have hit TP. Still, the annoying thing is stop loss to break even and freaking 1 APS and targeting the next level rather than 30 pips. The data is still saying, obviously, it's more profitable long term to put stop loss to break even and to target the next level, but for some weird reason, like January and so far February have messed us up so bad. Like they've all like tapped at break even and moved, or they've done 30 pips, tapped us at break even, got stop loss. So yeah, how much are you up this year? I would be, if I just carried on with 1-to-1, I'll be up 4% so far. But I trusted a data, and the data has done me dirty. I'm currently at break even. So we've had four trades so far. One did 30, tapped at break even. So here's like the 4 trades I've took. One of them has done this, 30 pips. Right, here's second take profit. It's done 30 pips, stops us out at break even, and then gone to stop loss. The second one has, what did it do? It just did 30 pips. That was our full take profit. Another one went at break even and then went to full take profit, and then another one just went to stop loss. So we would be up 4% if we just went for 1-to-1, because we took 3 wins, 1 loss. But yeah, I'm up 0% because of the stupid freaking stop loss to break even and stuff. But I'm just gonna trust the process, I guess. I've backtested like 150 trades, and across 150 trades in like 20 different pairs, it clearly shows that, you know, targeting the next level rather than just 1-to-1 is like twice as profitable, and putting stop loss to break even is also more profitable. So just trusting it, that's it. What was that link you sent in? There's an auto fib indicator. It depends though. Like, there's obviously multiple fibs as well. So when I'm drawing a fib, I have the fib of this move up. I also have the fib of that move down. I also have the shorter term fib of the most recent move down. I don't think I'll be able to do all them. And even if it did, it'll then just get very messy. So I'd rather just do it. Right. Who's done that? You're talking about his journal. I'm never going to not talk about my journal. I don't think you'll find another... I don't think there is actually a single trader out there who has a better journal than me, that they've made by themselves. I don't think you'll find a single other trader. Is the chicken fight in casino meant to be a 50-50? It starts at 50-50, then it slowly increases every time you win. Yeah, I keep trades overnight sometimes. We still on G? Right, okay, I'm going through the analysis now. Trades out. No, ones that... No, that doesn't count. I'm a stat nerd and love your journal talk, don't worry. Yeah. Wait, love your journal talk. Oh, right, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so do I. I fucking love the statistics. That's why I'll happily just sit there for 13 hours and just sit there on Excel. Made by themselves, doesn't even give credit to ChatGPT like you should. Hey, you can use ChatGPT the exact same as I would and create a journal like I did, but you didn't because you're a lazy bastard. So, yeah. Boom. So Euro USD is buyers. No, it's already done for buyers. Right, let's go through the analysis now. I can't bother going through stuff because you guys are freaking annoying. What platform are you funded with and how much? I'm funded with FTMO, Alpha Capital, and Nova currently. And then I'm also doing, for challenges, I'm doing Funding Traders, another FTMO, another Alpha Capital. I always forget there's one more, but I always forget the freaking name of it. Oh, funded traders. And how much? Currently 500,000. Can you do a day in a life? No, it's not as exciting as it looks. I wake up, I go to the gym, I have breakfast, I sit on Discord and the charts for about half an hour, and I'll do social media stuff for about, well, I mean, I don't really sit there and just do it religiously. I'll just do it throughout the day, and then that's about it. It's not exactly special. Sometimes I'll go out and, yeah. Who the fuck asked for a day in the life? Do they want to die of boredom? Right, okay. Wake up equals stare at journal. Even with ChatGPT, I haven't still got a clue how to use the Excel. It's actually... What's this? Actual image. This is Leon trying to tell me and JJ off later. What's that? Let me get... Yeah, fair. Right, let's get through it. So, pound Aussie. Boring as hell. We do have a level now, which is fairly valid. I don't know if it lines up. Nope, doesn't line up. And there's literally nothing else there. We've got this level up here, and that's it. You've got that little intraday level, which I'm not really keen. Oh, wait. 2025. Yeah, we're starting. I've opened surgical incision. Do you want to get banned as well as JJ and Josh? Wow. Triple team up now. Go Artle Hawk. I've also started a £200 live account, and I'm going to create a new channel in my little mentorship section called Forward Testing, and I'm going to start taking like little, not degen trades, but little trades, I guess, riskier trades, and I'm going to post them all in there. So yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. And I'll show you the process of how I forward test and how I record the data and what I actually use it for, and so on. Post them after. There'll be loads trying in levels, crying. I'll post them before, see how it goes, and then if they're all degens and try to copy me, then yes, I will start posting them after. So yeah, pound Aussie, you got this, you got that little degen level there, and that's about it. Nothing interesting. Pound card, again, nothing at all. It's been a bit boring. That was easy. Pound Swiss, tapped into this level. It's worked nicely. Congrats if you took it. I wasn't too keen. I don't think we had ATR or anything. Did we have ATR? Nope. So there wasn't really any confidences there. The level wasn't exactly amazing either. Yeah, I wouldn't really take that level. However, this... It's really weird because I wouldn't take that level just because it doesn't look that big and it's not very nice. However, I'd happily take that level, even though it's the exact same size. But I guess obviously it makes sense because we're in an uptrend and it's going to retrace the level and then push and see a bit of a continuation. Whereas even, you know, price of a heavy fucking pump, it's retraced a little bit and then you're trying to take sells. It's a little bit riskier. So I guess it sort of makes sense on the, you know, why I actually think that's nicer. But anyway, let's whack that on and see if it lines up. That does line up, so that could be a potential valid trade, and that's done 160 pips. So that, to me, is decent. That is a setup for next week. Pound Swiss. That worked. We can get rid of that. We can get rid of that. That is done. Apart from that, there's nothing else. GJ tapped into the highs. Again, there was no ATR. There wasn't anything there, really. We have got this really nice level here. We do have a bit of a degen break and retest if anyone wants to go for it. That is a bit too sudden for me, but it is probably a alright 4-hour level. I will take that on the forward testing. Oh no, well, I don't know how degen I want to go. I probably will go pretty degen, I can't lie. It's still a daily level, but it's more of an intra. I'm not... Yeah, it's not amazing, but on GJ it's fairly big, so... Yeah, I'll take it, why not? This is currently not lining up, so we do need price to push and create a higher high, hopefully. Break these highs and then make that fib line up, and that could be nice. I'm going to mark out... My charts are going to look disgusting if I mark out all the degen levels as well. But so be it. There is nothing there. I mean, you have that degen level there, which I will take. So yeah, GJ, nothing much at the minute. GN... We've broken that level. That's invalid. This is a nice break and retest. There's no buys at all there. This is a nice break and retest. You've got that as like a secondary level, which could be decent. But hopefully we continue down a tiny bit more, like one decent candle, or usually it'll just doji. Create a candle like, sort of like that one there, like an indecision candle. where, you know, there's a lot of buyers and sellers and it just sits in the middle and does nothing. And then it'll push up. So hopefully we do see something like that. Otherwise, yeah, it'll be a bit, I don't know. I won't take it. I didn't really understand your point of struggle video. What? I didn't really understand your point of struggle video. Wait, I don't understand your question, to be honest. Point of struggle. Oh, APS. Oh, area of potential struggle. Did I make a video on that? Wait, which video are you on about? Is it a TikTok video, a YouTube video, Discord live stream? I don't know which one. Was it the one on the MCR Trading YouTube account? Just let me know and then I'll quickly go over it. How can one scale this to make near passive income? You cannot make it passive income. You've always got to put work in. Unless you want to make an algo and go crazy and make it all automated, which would probably be quite a bit of work, but I guess it could work. We don't know. The thumbnails look the same with 3 different jump. Fucking idiot. Anyway, yeah. Hello, Grantus. Welcome. And hello, Colks. Interesting name. Yeah, you can't scale it to passive income. You can scale it to make decent income, but even so, this strategy only takes 5 minutes a day. If there's a trade, it'll take 20 minutes to set all the trades and stuff like that. So it's already pretty near passive. Like, I still trade and do my stuff and enjoy life and do things. Cornix, maybe. Cornix? I don't have a clue what that is. I hope the YouTube viewers come to Discord. Me and Josh are USPs. USPs? You're not USPs. They're the opposite of USPs. What can we call you? I was going to try and be fast with that, but my brain isn't fast enough to think of something funny. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know what USPs mean. Obviously. Idiot. PIA. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, PIAs. Anyway, carrying on. See, you distracted me. Don't complain that I'm getting distracted and I just blabber on when it's you that freaking... Yeah, banned. Yeah, Ahmed. I agree with you. Ahmed, I'll time them out. How long should I time out JJ for? You let me know and I'll time him out. Okay, he's not typing. Never mind. Anyway, that's a decent trading bot. Oh, okay. I've never really seen a decent trading bot, to be honest. And especially if it's advertised and it's on like a website type thing. The mouth. I can't ban him from a mouth. Anyway, all right. Pound dollar. What do we have? This is invalid. This fib is pretty much useless because there is nothing there. That break and retest is, I'm definitely not keen on that. I don't really like the super long term break and retests. I prefer them to be a lot more recent. Those two got smashed. These 2 levels got smashed and then smashed again. They got broken through and then went for the retest, and by the looks of it, both of them failed. Bit of an L. That would have been, I probably would have taken that one as well. Yeah, GU don't really have anything. That's been used. We have like that and then the high, which obviously doesn't line up with fib or anything. So maybe an ATR trade, or we can use it for alignment with a different USD pair. So if GU comes to this level at the same time as like EU or I don't know, NU, we can probably take one of those 2 and then use GU as alignment. I'll also be making a video on alignment. I have like the little schedule. 1 second, let me show you guys of the next 10 YouTube videos. I've planned them out. And by plan, I've wrote the title. So here you go. Here's oh shoot, 1 sec. Oh god, 1 sec, I've broken it. Here you go. Here's the next 10 videos. So we're on to part 3, which is how to use fib. Then we got ATR, flows, how to find alignment, putting everything together and how to actually trade. Patient, how to become patient and just chill. Because this, obviously this strategy is very dependent on you being a patient trader. How to pass a funded account, how to collect data, And then obviously I will, I don't know what I'll make after that, but that's still pretty decent. That's for like the next 2 months worth of videos. So we're all set and ready. I just need to make them. So yeah, GU, there's nothing really, not looking for anything. Euro Aussie, we do have a really nice buy level, but it currently, I mean, it technically does line up with a fib. It's like 15 pips away. So if you wanted to be a little degen and enter it, you'd have to enter off the very low of the wick just to be safe. Or if we saw an ATR line up, then, you know, it could be pretty decent. Not like an automated one. It integrates with Telegram channels and can use signals from those channels and auto trade. I would definitely not do that, thank you. I would rather not copy Telegram signals. There's nothing worse. Yes, no thank you, I'm okay. That isn't, yeah, no thanks. Yeah, there's nothing really on your Aussie. We have the buys, and apart from that, you got a decent sell level up here. Even degen levels, I guess you've got that there, which could be doable, but that is coming down very fast. Also, for the people that use IC markets, I'm guessing probably quite a few of you guys, because that's the one I recommend. Did you know, what do you call it? Freaking TradingView have, where is it? High panel, maximize panel. TradingView now have IC markets. No, they don't. See your brokers. Ta-da! IC markets. So you can now connect your IC markets account on TradingView, which is pretty damn cool. And then also when you like type in the pairs, IC markets is also there as a broker, so you can get like the most accurate readings and stuff, which is pretty damn solid. So even like your funded accounts now, when you have like a FTMO funded account. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, shoot, no, that's C-Trader, not IC markets, you idiot. Okay, never mind. How is the news? I'm ignoring your message, Josh. How about that? How's the news of your site? I have a call with them tomorrow actually to talk about it, so we'll see. I couldn't even stay through Euro pairs, but I have. Whoa. Is that an insult, Gimo? Are you saying I'm slow? I feel like it is. Hey, we got through one Euro pair. Right, let's go to the second one. See you later, Gimo. You do have that rough break and retest. I'm not really keen at all. It was a market. I mean, to be fair, it was a market open as well. Gaps are pretty nice to trade from. I don't analyze your pairs, so it's okay. Ass. This used to take less than an hour. It's still going to take less than an hour. Just watch. We're going to be done within 20 minutes. Yeah, that could be nice for a little degen one on a forward testing account. And apart from that, there is no buys apart from this one down here. And then you got to sell all the way up here. There is nothing else. Euro Swiss. This is still completely valid. I'll happily take this. So hopefully we could see a cheeky trade on Monday straight away. And Euro Swiss moves pretty fast. So let's see. Let's see. I really hope we get a trade, because I didn't take a single one last week because I freaking missed Euro USD. Even though it would have stopped me out of break even, you know, it still would have felt good taking a trade. To be fair, a week isn't that bad. I've lasted a lot longer without taking a trade. To be fair, after like a week and a half, 2 weeks, that's when I start, I don't know, it starts getting to me a little bit. Even though I'm not actually bothered at all, that's when the doubts start kicking in. After like 1.5, 2 weeks of not taking a trade, I start, I don't know, it's like weird little self-doubt moments of like, is your strategy still working? Like, have you just become a shit trader? Have the market's changed? Like, it's weird. It's super weird. You should respond back, Leon, for all what is being said. You are slow. Yes, agreed. Yeah. I mean, that's true. I mean, I don't really lose patience. It's, don't know. You just have those weird thoughts. You cannot stop them at all. Oh, not me. The degens. Oh yeah, the degens. Yeah. Apart from that, Euro Swiss, nothing else. EJ, you've got the high, which potential ATR maybe, and I'll take it on the forward testing account, but I probably wouldn't take that on my own account. We have this low down here for a potential 50 fib trade, very wide, but you can take towards the low of it, which will be valid. I'll mark that out for buys. But yeah, don't know if that's going to line up. You also have that little degen break and retest, same as GJ. So you might see that across the board, to be honest. So I will take that on one of the accounts. Let me mark that out as a little alert. Sorry, JJ, I've muted you because you are talking. You can unmute yourself when you stopped. Euro NZD is miles away from that sell level now. It's more looking like this potential buy level down here, which could maybe... Okay, yeah, no, I don't want to draw one of those big fibs. I don't really like them. This is more just, I guess, hopefully an ATR potentially. ATR on a level could be nice. Apart from that, you do have... oh, shoot, you also have Euro NZD for that break and retest. I forgot about that. Let me mark out a little alert there. So we got GJ, we got JPY pairs coming for a break and retest. We also have NZD pairs coming for a break and retest. Libby, I think you put something in for a break and retest, didn't you? Was it? Oh no, it was Wayfarm. EJ break and retest. Oh, he said clean. I don't know. That level is degen. I don't really see that as a decent daily level. One of these as a break and retest would be nice, or this as a break and retest would be nice, or maybe that, you know, or one of these big ones here, this one, that one. But that, I don't know. I'd class that as a bit of a degen one. But yeah, I mean, I guess I see where he's coming from. Your NZD got the exact same, so we'll see if that taps next week. So yeah, potential sells, and we've also got buyers, I guess, so I need to set a secondary alert for ATR maybe. Euro USD, yeah, that's gone now. The fib's pretty much useless. We do have the sell fib and some alright-ish levels. It's weird though, because we've got 3 separate levels. You got that, you've got that, and you've also got, oh god, you've got that there as well. So it's a bit of a, I think I'd sack off the middle one, and I'd probably just go for this, which is 120, and this one is also 120. What's this one? Almost 120 as well, so they're pretty similar, all of them. I think I'd much rather just go for the first one and see how that goes. Yeah, I don't really see anything on your USD. Potential 38, I guess we could go for that. And I guess it is a psych level as well. You do have a psych level just above. So even if you did went for entries like 10 pips below the psych level, I was trying so hard not to react. I'm just learning to ignore it. So yeah, you know what? I do actually like that. That's not too bad. If we got the psych level, the fib, and the level isn't too bad, to be fair. So yeah, I will go for that. I'll mark that out as a little alert. Aussie CAD, that break and retest worked beautiful, and it lined up with the fib also. It was a messy break, again, because it didn't create that gap, but it worked really nicely. Tapped it with 1 pip drawdown as well, by the way. And it's currently did like 90. I took CAD Swiss fib level trade. What do you think of it? 38. Yeah, I saw that. I was waiting for Euro Swiss personally. It did work. Well, it's not worked yet. I think it's still in the process. By the looks of it, it is dumping pretty nicely. Take profits, I don't know. They're a bit awkward though. It just moves so slow, which is why I wasn't massively keen. If I was you, I'd probably secure most of your position at this, or at least put stop loss to break even once it taps this level. Because I mean, depending on where you entered, I'm guessing you wouldn't have entered above price. So I mean, that could be a 1-to-1 if you did enter. So I'd probably go around here for take profit, or at least stop loss to break even at this level, and then take profit, full take profit at like this break and retest maybe. Entirely up to you. But yeah, it's a decent level, but it's just CAD Swiss moves a bit slow for my liking. Yeah, Aussie CAD, I don't really see anything else. I'm not going for that. I'll go for the 50, which is okay. It's like, oh shit, it's like only just 100. So, and I mean, to be fair, Aussie CAD does move not exactly the fastest. So yeah, apart from that, there's nothing else on Aussie CAD. Aussie Swiss, we do have the 50. which again, it moves slow as hell. So it's potential, but I don't know. I think I'd rather just take it on the forward testing account for now, and forward test some of these slower and the messier moves, and just see how they go. And then obviously depending on the performance, then I will go on, then I'll start taking them on a live account. 1 second. There you go. So yeah, potential Aussie Swiss. I'll mark it out. Aussie. Wait, was there any break and retests? No, there wasn't. Aussie JPY. We have this weird ass high, which it's sort of already tapped into like the close and done a tiny little rejection, but I'm not really keen on that at all. Again, yeah, fuck it. I'll go for it on the forward testing account, but I would not take that on my live account. You do have that weird break and retest. Again, same on like every single JPY pair at the minute. Apart from that, you're just looking at the lows really. Then I wanted you to focus on swing trading. That would take a long time and make big profits. Well, unfortunately, I don't trade like that, Ahmed. So I don't really focus on that. But I mean, every single one of my trades, you can just hold, put stop loss to break even and just hold. Have longer term take profits. Because I just trade off daily levels. So I can't really get more swing than that. I'm not going to start analyzing on the weekly. Like, I think, what was it? This was a sell. We took this sell. Here. All you need to do, rather than targeting 30 pips, just target the swing low. Like, this trade alone would have made you 140 pips, and that's fucking amazing on Aussie NZD. Or you could have even went degen and take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Your choice. You just gotta change, well, you don't have to change anything. Trade the same as how you trade my strategy. Maybe up your stop loss a little bit to like 50 pips, and then just hold large take profits. That's all you need to do. So I don't need to really change my analysis. It's just you need to change the way you actually trade the strategy. The analysis still stays the exact same. Aussie NZD also has that exact same break and retest, and now it has this secondary break and retest. So we've got two here. We have that 38, which, I mean, technically does line up, and then you have the 23. So that could be nice as well. I will mark that out there. I think I'd rather go for like the GN or some. Actually, no, GN moves quick, doesn't it? Maybe EN. EN's a little bit slow, but hasn't really broken by much yet. It's just Aussie NZD was a bit longer term. It was like a level from like 2 months ago. So we will see. We'll see. Aussie US dollar. I mean, that fib is again useless. Don't know why I've got an alert on the level. That's pretty pointless. Draw the fib move down. We have a level here, 38 fib, and it is literally bang on 100 pips, which is not amazing, but is valid. Yeah, I mean, that's an okay level. I do actually like that. It's not too messy. He has just over 10 mins. He'll make it. I reckon we can make it. I reckon we can. See, slow start, but we pick up the pace. It's so weird. Not as many people ask any questions. It's only Ahmed, JJ, and Josh. You know, the rest of you guys are allowed to ask questions. If it's to do with a strategy, or you want me to go over a certain pair, or you want to send in your analysis, I'm not going to bite your hand off. Everyone in the YouTube is asking questions. Actually, guys in YouTube, we're only on, how many likes are we on? We're on 2 likes. Please can the guys on the YouTube drop a like on the video. We need to get to 10. Considering there's 12 of you guys in here right now, we need to get to 10 likes minimum. Sorry, I had to go for a bit. I'm talking about the APS YouTube video that was in the mentorship. It was on the MCR trading account, right? Wasn't it? MCR trading. Yeah, selecting TPs, I think. Oh, it may have been on. Yeah, okay, never mind. It may have been. So all it is basically, let's get an example of a trade. Aussie NZD. No, which one was it? Yeah, shit, it was that trade. Okay, so we'll go back and I'll quickly show you what I mean. So this was the sell-up. Fib the move down. As you can see, 61 fib lined up this level. Right? We draw that. We whack on entries. Normally I go to one for one to one. Okay, but what we'll do instead is I will go down to the 1 hour time frame and I'll select the take profit at the next strong level. So if we go to the hourly here, where do you see the next potential level of struggle? Okay, so price is here. It's going to move down. Where's the first level price could potentially bounce from? So we're looking at like break and retest or like levels or just general support and resistance. Where do you see the first potential level that price could bounce from? That's it. And to me, well, I mean, it normally looks like this. So we enter sells here, right? And it'll normally look something like this. It is most of the time, it will be the break and retest or the level. So that's what it'll be every single time. It'll look like that. And if you go down, as you can see, here's the move up, retracement, it did it again, then pushed up. So we've got a level here, break and retest, and you've got a level here. So there's your 2 take profits. You can either select the break and retest, or if you've got really big balls, you can go for this. So we went for that, the break and retest. And I think it smashed it and did really well. Yeah, because the news came out. And then the secondary one was down here, which tapped nicely as well. So that's how I select take profits. I basically go down to the hourly and whack them on there. So similar to the Euro USD one. Quickly, where is it? Euro USD. Here's the buy that everyone entered from the low of this. It was about here. But rather than just selecting 1 to 1, how do you select your take profit? You just go to the hourly. Okay. You wait for price to enter. 1 second. Let me get this. Wait for it. Okay. So we don't really care about these tiny little retracements. These ones, these little farty things. Yeah, you can go for it. But, I mean, I'd rather not. I'd rather look at the major levels. And to me, well, obviously you got a major level up there, which it's formed a level here-ish. Well, you more got it there. And as you can see, it's come down, bounced, broke, retested, and pushed down. Now you've got the exact same thing. You've got the level here, the break and retest, or you've got this level. You see that? So if you want it to be even cleaner, all you have to do is just change it to a line chart. I mean, that's a little, not the best, but yeah, it's not as good actually. But there's the break and retest and there's the level. If that makes sense. So, oh God, 1 sec. So that was my take profit if I would have entered, but of course I didn't even catch it because I didn't have a signal. So that was the take profit. And it did 30, come back down to break even, and there you go. There's the move. Beautiful. Or of course you could have targeted this level, and as you can see, it also had a nice rejection. So hopefully that helped. Yeah, let me carry on. Where were we? We're on this. Yeah, we've done that. Aussie, US dollar, we got sells. Oh, 1 sec, that's just started playing again. Yeah, so NZD CAD. We did have this weird level, but you also had the break and retest. It was a bit of a weird level, to be honest. Then you also had all these wicks here, so it was very, very messy. You had like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was very awkward. So I didn't really take this. I wasn't too keen. Apart from that, there isn't really much. You do have this one down here. And that's about it on NZD CAD. That break and retest has technically been tapped as well. So yeah, just see what happens. I'm not really bothered about that one. NZD Swiss, again, super boring. Yeah, you've got this, you've got that. That's about it. NJ broke the highs. You've got weird, numerous retests. You've got that, you've got that, you've got that. So again, I won't be going for that. If I wanted to, fucking hell, that was a bit common, wasn't it? I'd go for the lowest one, which would be this one. So I'd whack the fib on. And currently, it doesn't really line up. I think that fib's a bit too small, to be honest. Probably draw the bigger fib, this one. Which, again, it doesn't line up. But that 61 is nice. Damn. I'll mark out a little level there. Just like that. Yeah, so, I mean, there's nothing much at all. I think this is all-time highs, isn't it? No, it's not. Okay, never mind. Jesus. Actually, whilst we're still here as well, we've pretty much now, we've got quite a lot of people who are trading the strategy. And I realized that we should give it a name, because I made this strategy from like multiple groups. I started with a group called FX Cartel, and they introduced me to like fibs, and then I moved, well, I was with them for like a year, and then I started learning from someone else who used to be in that group but then had started his own group, and then he used like ATR, and he also utilizes like flows, but he then trades like the lower time frame. And then I've sort of combined it with alignment and the fib and the higher time frame, so it's even more different. So I don't really trade like a single strategy. Like, I've sort of merged everything and created sort of my own strategy. And for the longest time, we've just called it like levels or fibs, or we trade, you know, I don't know, Leon strategy. So I decided we need to give it a name. And we need to create like a little group of us. So, I mean, I've not really made this as an official announcement yet, but we've given it a name. We've not named it anything stupid, but we're just gonna call it the MCR strategy. That's it. Leon Circle Trading. No, we can't do something like that. I don't want it to be related to ICT, but I know everyone has like they either call it after the name, or they'll give it an abbreviation, like there's SMC, ICT, ICI. Is there anything else? I don't know. I know there's like Varga. He named it after his name. His name's like Thomas Varga. I can't think of any other strategies like named after a group or whatever. Well, what else could we call it? Surgical. MCR is creative because obviously it's MCR trading. MCR strat. Yeah, that's it. There, that's it. What about neon? Neon? What on earth does neon have to do with... What? So, think of it. When someone says they trade the MCR strat or they trade MCR, straight away, it is just free advertising. Because obviously we're called MCR trading. It links to everything. MCR trading, the MCR strat. That's it, done. And now we can actually like quantify ourselves. What does MCR stand for? Well, this is the creative part. You ready? MCR stands for Manchester. This is literally just where I'm from. But we're going to ignore that. And we're going to pretend that it was a really creative name. So MCR stands for... oh, what did we think of? What is it? Fuck, we came up with like 3 really cool words to make it sound like a... I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I can't remember. It was like motivation, like consistency, and something like that. But yeah, it is literally just because I'm from Manchester. I should have known that. I'm from... Oh, wait, you're from Manchester as well? Whoop, whoop. We got quite a few people from Manchester actually in here, which is pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, it is called the MCR strat. So if you guys like, I'm going to start reposting stuff on Instagram as well. On the, obviously, the Instagram. I just fucking said that, didn't I? But I'm going to start oh, there's me. I'm going to restart. God damn. I'm going to start reposting. Like when you guys take a trade, and even if it's stop loss and you want to repost it, or even if you actually post it on your Instagram and like tag MCR trading, I'll repost it. If you post it in the Discord and you're here to take profit, I'll post it on the Instagram. I will just start trying to get a little bit of get out there, basically. Do you watch football? Not really. I used to. Sport United, but yeah. Yeah, I don't really watch it anymore. But anyway, yeah, so if you, well, I'm going to rename because we have obviously the strategy chats. If you scroll to strategies, we've got all the different ones. Ment effects. Yeah, what's his name? I don't know why it's called Ment effects. Anyway, Varga, ICT, SMC. Level, check that, 28,000 messages and levels. Booyaka. But this is going to get renamed now to MCR because we're fucking cool as shit. And guess what? I'm also, if depending on if the website is going to be done or not, because I honestly cannot be bothered waiting for them. Sorry, I'm going to mention my journal, but I'm gonna. If the website doesn't get done and like they're not on track with it, I'm going to give out my journal. And I'm just going to let you guys have the journal. I didn't want to give away the journal because people could like rebrand it and sell it. Oh, what? Recovered some files. Do you want to next? Yes. Okay. I didn't want to give out the journal because people could rebrand it, sell it, change it, all that stuff. And I didn't really like that. But now it's gotten to the point where even if you guys change one thing, it'll probably break the entire thing. So I honestly don't really care now. Plus, like, if you trade a different strategy, this journal is pretty much useless. You can only use it for the MCR strat. So yeah, you have this, the nice dashboard, the daily dashboard where it tells you your stats, the monthly, which isn't done, but it'll look like this, and you have all your different months, and then it'll have the different pairs. And I'm just going to get this done. I'm going to smash this out this week. Just in case the website doesn't go ahead and get finished, you guys can have this. And this is for like the little launch of the MCR strat. So we'll do a little launch party. We'll do some funded account giveaways. We'll do a little journal giveaway. Boom. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, if you guys want to start hopping in and sending in like your profits, or if you want to post them on social media, post them on Instagram. Yeah, and tag me. Yeah. Right, okay. Let me carry on. One sec. Let me get back to the chat. Where were we? I had a nice little announcement, Josh. Don't rush me. NZD/USD is pretty much at this level. It missed, which is unfortunate. It got really close on market close. So obviously I'm not too keen on that anymore. We do have the break and retest, but oh god, that was a bit of an iffy one. Thank you for who's spamming the hearts. I appreciate it. MCR locked. Does that mean it's good? I'm guessing that means it's good. What do you think of gold and USD? I'll go over gold in a minute. When you're done, can you fuck me, Leon. When you're done, can you let us know your goals for 2024 in terms of FX/work? Yeah, sure. You found a way to show your journal. Yes, I did. Yeah, apart from that, NZD/USD, I'm not too keen on anything. You've got the low down here. This level is pretty much invalid now because it's so goddamn close, and I would not take a trade if price closed right below it. Sack that. USD CAD, we do have a little bit of a... Is that degen? I don't know. I think that's... Is that valid? Lines up with a fib, and it is... Oh, fuck! 190 pips. Damn. Okay, I mean, what? It's done like a 2-candle pullback, and it's taken its time to retrace, so... I think I'll go for that. It is pretty wide. It's like 26 wide, so... Yeah, I'll go for that. I like that. USD CAD buy is beautiful. And then you have this potentially. It has been tapped 3 times. So the only way I'd tap, oh my god, Leo, the only way I'd go for this again is if we seen a larger move, it broke this level and then came for the retest of this level. But if it provided a pullback, better pullback, and then it did an equal pullback, I most likely wouldn't go for this. Because it technically is what, first, second, third, fourth time. So yeah, unless we break and then come up. Yeah, I'm alright, thanks. Fire emoji. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Goal 1 equals finish breakdown. Goal 2 equals wash hoodie. Right, what? Question for all. How often do you wash your jumpers? Right, okay, yeah, serious question. Yeah. If you wore your hoodie or jumper, whatever, 5 times in a row, and 1, it didn't smell at all, and 2, it wasn't dirty, it didn't have any marks or anything, would you wash it? A t-shirt, yeah, I get, because that gets sweaty as hell. Yeah, that's completely fair. But a hoodie... Right, okay, Josh, how often do you wash your coat? Right, a big puffer coat, how often do you wash that? How about that? Because that is no different to a hoodie. Right? How often do you wash a big puffer coat? Yeah. Stupid idiot. Wash hoodie. Hold up. What, you got to think about that one? No need to wash them every day unless you smell. Wearing it one time then washing it. Are you mad? Ah, I can't bother to going over that. I bet most of you guys, your mums still do the washing for you, so none of you can speak. Yes. If t-shirt underneath, then a few days. And yes, mummy washes for me. Right, so how are you guys even talking if your mum still does the washing for you? Anyway. USD CAD valid buys. I like that. USD Swiss, we do have that level. Oh, it's USD Swiss though, so 200. Okay, never mind. USD Swiss moves fast. Which Swiss pairs move slow? I can't remember. That lines up beautifully for 0.5 buys. That is very, very, very valid. And then this sell is still valid. I like it. 61. I think this is a 150. So I am still happy with that. So yeah, we have 2 separate levels here. We have the sell from the 61 and we have the buy from the 50. So USD Swiss is looking on fire. I do really like it. No way I'm married. My wife was. Yeah, that's fine. That's completely fair. That's okay. Mate, I'm in bed. I was hoping see USD CAD analysis, but you're still in EU at 8:45. I'm going to get rid of JJ as a mod soon. Does anyone want his place? I want a bit of diversity, not just degen, and more degens on the team. So yeah, if anyone wants to apply for mod, let me know, and you can replace JJ. That's 350. That is crazy. I will take that on a little degen account as well, potentially. Or the break and retest. I might even take that. Oh wait, no, that's probably a better one. Can you apply? No, Josh, you're getting replaced soon as well. By the end of January, not end of February, Josh and JJ are both getting replaced. So if anyone wants to apply, please say. Me, Miles Johnson in the YouTube is going to be the next mod. Miles, you got to give me one reason why you think you'd make a good mod compared to Josh and JJ. What can you bring to the team? Oh, that's racist if you do, because I'm Welsh. What is your opinion for Momentum Capital Ventures? Don't have a clue what that is. Like a venture capital firm, but Momentum. I don't know what that means. I'm not Josh or JJ. I think that's valid enough. There you go. Yeah, you win that one, Surgical. Surgical, do you want to be the next mod? Because I fucking need one. I don't really like anything on this. That's already been tapped. The fib is pretty much invalid now. There's nothing really else there. And these buy levels are disgusting. CAD JPY. You got this one down here, and that's it. Which is still pretty far away. You've got 2 fibs. You've got that, which is almost, and you've got that, which is almost. My mum doesn't wash my hoodie. His one reason for being mod is his mum doesn't wash his hoodies. That's good enough. That's better than Josh, so. That's gone as well. That's pretty much it. Yeah, there's nothing really there. I'm gonna do a shit ton of back testing this week. I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna mention it. I'm gonna finish the journal. It's been about 2 months in the making, and I'm gonna do a lot of back testing because I need it. Yeah. Gold. Fuck off. Did that work? Oh yeah, it did work. Yeah. Both of the. By the way, the past 2 gold analyses have worked beautifully. First of all was a sell from the 0.5. As you can see, it tapped beautifully. Second one was a 4-hour setup, which I posted in the commodities chat. Oh, look at that bastard. Worked beautifully. Obviously, I didn't trade it. I don't really trade gold yet, but they both worked pretty damn nice, to be fair. Silver hasn't really done anything. It tapped into this level and didn't do much. You got that level there, which is nice. This is a new level, but it's very close to that one. And oil is getting close to this really nice ass sell level from the 50, so that could be a potential trade on a degen account. And that's about it. Yeah, I think we're about good. Oh, yeah, I'm going to start pushing the MCR Insta. We'll start pushing the strategy a little bit more. So if you guys want to start posting like your backtesting results, just your backtesting process, like a little testimonial type thing, a profit that you made, something that you realized, I don't know, like something is working on this from back to, I don't know, some sort of post, I don't know, or a loss and like some lesson that you learn, any of that stuff. Yeah, when you guys pass your fundeds, when you get a payout, when you pass phase 1, when you pass phase 2, any of that stuff, whack them in the levels chat, tag me, and I will start posting them on the MCR trading account. Everyone go follow Libby Trades. Also, I was thinking about that. We could start creating trading accounts, and we potentially, I don't know, like create ones around MCR. I don't know. I think FX Cartel do it, don't they? They have like, all of them have like their own trading accounts, and it's like they put the name on like FXC at the end of it. So we could. You got your 10 likes, did I? Let's see. I'm still at 9. You lied to me, Maria. I'll like my own video. That's a bit sad, but there we go. We got 10. Currently up 5% on my new funded account since being in this group. Hey, that's fucking awesome, man. If you send a screenshot or something, if you send a screenshot and like put that as a like little sentence or something, yeah, and a screenshot of your account, I'll post that as the very first one on the story. Just make it look nice and fancy, you know, and I'll whack it on and I'll start tagging you guys. And also all the testimonials, the current testimonials we have. Wait, what the? Oh, it was that, wasn't it? The current testimonials we have, I'm gonna ping all those on the Instagram stories as well. There's quite a few, to be fair. So if you guys ever feel like you want to add a nice little testimonial, whack it in. Please don't just put I love this Discord, or he is best. Please try your best to at least put like a sentence or two. That would be nice. And I will whack it on the Instagram. I'm going to create a nice little graphic for it, and they're going to get added to the highlights as well. So yeah, and I'll do loads of different story highlight things, and we'll do one for like testimonials, funded accounts. So when you guys get like payouts, or we'll do one like payouts, funded accounts, trades, testimonials. So when you get like, you know, you pass a funded account, or you get a payout, or just a general testimonial, or a trade you've taken, I'll post them all onto Instagram and I'll add you to the highlights. So you'll be permanently on the Instagram forever. Yeah. So yeah, I'll put an announcement out anyway. Yeah, I'll put an announcement out soon. I'll announce like the MCR strat type thing this week, and I'll also announce about like the Instagram and stuff, and then I'll post the journal separately. We do have 3 10k accounts to give away actually, which I will do a little. I think I'll give them away with. Oh, I think I'll do them all separately actually. 3 different giveaways. One will be, or 2 of them we can do like, I don't know, different things like comment on the YouTube video, or I don't know. I will pick something anyway. Yeah, sound. Same for me, nearly past phase 1 with the Leonine ATR Fibonacci Fusion Dynamic Level Trading Strategy. Wow, that's a cooler name than what I gave it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's cooler. Right, sound. I'll speak to you guys later. I'm going to call it there. We have the little backtesting session. Again, the weekly backtesting session, which is this bad boy right here. This one. Where's the picture for it? I don't know why it's got rid of the picture. But anyway, that is on Thursday. I don't know about the time, but it'll be on Thursday sometime. I'll let you guys know. And yeah, YouTube video will be out tomorrow, and I'm just about after this to post a nice little TikTok, Instagram type thing. The name is too big and need a lot of review. Yeah, no, I was only joking, Ahmed. You post your watch list again. Yeah, if you're... Do you guys want a confidence file or not? I don't know if you guys really care about the confidence file. I'll post like my watch list, but how often do you guys use a confidence file for like levels? Because that thing takes me a while, I will say. And it's so much effort. I don't use it at all. I just flick through. If you guys do use it, then I'll of course I'll do it. That's fine. Thank you for this session. I swear I saw 10 likes. I see 10 likes now. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Thank you, Maria, for hopping in. I appreciate it. Journal. No, it isn't on journal. Only using a watch list. Okay, okay. Wait, oh wait. So you don't use a confidence file. Okay. I think I'll just put like the next sell level and the next buy level. I won't put like loads of them. I'll just put the next buy and the next sell. Yeah, I think I'll just do that because then it's a bit less work because it is a pain in the ass. But I will happily do it. Right, sounds good. Speak to you guys later. Hamza, thank you for hopping in, man. And I'll